Tell you how many years it's been. 2 e.l.f. products left in my collection. Literally nothing had caught my eye. There was a couple things I was kind of looking at that were new, and then they released the Retro Paradise collection, and I knew it was time to check e.l.f. out again after that. So let's get started. This is 2 separate orders. I did have a coupon code, and also I was really impressed with how fast e.l.f. shipping was, but probably because they ship out of Ohio and I live in Kentucky, so I placed an order and got it within 2 days. Just standard, regular, free shipping, so that's pretty cool. So let's get started with the haul. Right now they will send you a free hand sanitizer with your order, and so I placed 2 orders. I got 2. I'm going to share the retro stuff last. I also got a free gift, and I chose the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. Had a bunch of stuff to choose from, and I was most intrigued about this facial mist as it had really great reviews. So I picked that up, and I was looking at their brushes, and they had a bunch of different brush sets, and this one caught my eye, Cut Crease Eye Brush Set, or Kit. And I had a coupon code, $10 off of a $40 order, and this was $2. It was originally $12, but I got my $10 off, so I picked this up for only $2. So you get a bunch of different eye brushes, 5 of them to be exact, and it's supposed to help you create the perfect cut crease. Lots of great reviews on this product as well, so I cannot wait to try that out. Also, another product that I've been seeing kind of go around, and Shan Shortcake Beauty was doing a video on this, and someone else I was watching, and I was really intrigued, and I couldn't find this in stores, so I ordered it online, is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I got this in light, and it just leaves such a beautiful glowy finish to your skin. I had to try this out. I love glowy skin, and everyone seemed to be loving this product. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been excited for a bunch of e.l.f. stuff, so yes. So now I'm moving on to the Retro Paradise. Large part of this was inspired, this haul was inspired by Angela Bright and Oh My Glashes. Seriously, like, I thought I wanted the J Kissa palette. No. The Retro Paradise palette is so beautiful. This whole collection is so stunning. So the first thing I grabbed, and Oh My Glashes seems to be loving these sponges, and I love her, so I really wanted to try them out, and it's the Retro Paradise Sponge Trio, and you get 3 different sponges. I am excited to try those. I hear they are super soft. You see me use an e.l.f. body brush in my videos all the time, almost every single video, and when they brought this one out, I love the color. It's all in this beautiful coral shade, and I just needed this body brush, but it's the Glow Up body brush, and this was $10. The sponge set was $10. I can't wait to try this out. There's my old body brush. Here's my new one. This is a little bit bigger and more tapered out, and this one looks like going to be more densely packed than this one. Either way, e.l.f. brushes are really great quality, and I know I mentioned earlier, like I said, like I have bought e.l.f. products. Like their brow product is one of my favorite brow pencils ever, and their primer putty. Nothing has come out that made me want to order from the website like this collection. Next thing I grabbed was the Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Disco Queen from the Retro Paradise collection. This collection, you guys, it grabbed me full force. I am loving the packaging and everything about it. I do have a look, let me post a picture, and it's using this in the inner corner and the Retro Paradise palette, so you guys can get an idea. It's so beautiful. Oh, and this is like a rainbow, you know, glittery goodness in a little package. They had other shades, but that's the one I was most intrigued about. That was $5. And last but not least, of course, I mentioned it a ton in the video, but I did grab the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. This is 18 eyeshadows for $14. And like I said, I was just so enthralled by this palette. It's so beautiful. The color story is absolutely beautiful. Also, Brianna Faye, also known as Lethal Kitten, I watched her videos on this palette as well. Absolutely stunning. So beautiful, you guys. This palette, it's really pigmented too. It is a little bit powdery, but look how beautiful the shade range is in this palette. And like I said, I've already done one look using it. Very beautiful. And also, I love that it has a shade in the palette named Fuego, because I instantly think of Malcolm in the Middle when I see that and hear that word. There's an episode in it where the classes, the Krell boys had to break up into the actual public school, and they break off into these groups and they're having like a little gang war. I don't know if that's the proper termage for it, but anyways, a turf war basically. And Malcolm falls in this group with these two guys, and they're like, oh, she's so fuego, she's totally fuego, she's so fuego, double fuego, whatever. It means hot in French, I believe. I could be wrong, but anyways, long story short, it just reminds me of Malcolm in the Middle. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, I absolutely love Malcolm in the Middle. So that's my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the looks using this palette. Also, I do have some BH Cosmetics stuff coming, and as you've seen in the other videos, I did get the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette, and now I have the Take Me to Ibiza palette coming. I love the color story in that palette as well, and it went on sale, so I snatched it up as well. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos using all the products shown in this video. Would like any reviews or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check that description box out too, you guys. And thank you so much for watching.